then we rotate it. From here we separate it. I'm going to do a open break, quick, quick, slow, stopping the lead from moving any further. I'm going to do a cucaracha, right foot free, left foot free for the lady, quick, quick, slow. Now I'm going to do a crossover, quick, quick, holding it down, then rising. Here we do our turn, quick, quick, and hold for the slow, which gives us that breathing. Now we're going to do our switch turn, quick, quick. Gentlemen, we do something funky here. A slow, which frees the right foot. Ladies' right foot is free. Quick, quick, slow. For ladies, it's a slow. Quick, quick. Now I'm going to lower. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Making my way back to my partner. Quick, quick, slow. Yeah, but